Welcome to driver training. Today we're doing Telford trench lock, right 5th exit. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe on our channel. Now, as we're coming down from Horton Wood Test Centre to go right 5th exit, we can see from the sign on the left that 3 lanes are about to open up, left, middle and right. So we need to stay by the centre line, and that will lead us into the right hand lane. So now, as we come down towards the lights, we're just aiming towards the roundabout and making sure we don't cross the white line on the left. Over on our left we can see our first exit, which is back into Horton Wood. So that's exit number 1. As we follow our lane round, already again on the left, we can see exit number 2 towards Stafford and A518. And we cover that in a separate video. As we're coming down, we're keeping in the right hand lane. And on our left, we can see exit number 3, which is towards Trench. Remember, we want exit 5. At this point, you need to start signalling right, because the road marking says we can go straight ahead or right, so no signal means we're going straight ahead. Ahead of us, we can see exit number 4. And as we come round, we can see on the floor our lane widens into 2 lanes. So choice of 2 lanes, always left. Just a quick note to say at this point, check that left mirror, because the amount of times people turn right from the left lane really would amaze you. Now in front of us, we can see that this lane does actually allow us to turn right, so we need to be using our left signal to let everybody know that we're not going to go right, but we are going to come off at the next exit. As the lights change, we're looking into the distance and we'll be able to see that exit number 5 for Hadley and Trench Lock is the next exit we come to. And we can see that in front of us. As we come round to confirm, we can look at the sign, and that tells us it is Hadley and Trench Lock. Now, a couple of quick points: make sure you cancel your signal at this point, otherwise it looks like you're turning into the car park and the cars that are waiting to come out may well pull out in front of you. If there's traffic, make sure you don't end up stopping on the zebra crossing in front, but also to scan left and right to see if anybody's approaching or getting ready to cross the crossing. We hope that's helped you understand more fully how to go right 5th exit at Trench Lock. My name's Chris, thanks for joining us. Drive safely and we'll see you again soon.